Soaking, dripping old Quaker. Yeah. Good. Wait a minute. So get back in there. Go on. Get back in there. Go on. There you go. Whee! Yeah. Boy. Man, he loves taking a bath. He's the cleanest bird. Oh boy, he loves it. Wait a minute. Let me see some. Pour a little bit more in there. He likes to really, his wings ain't even wet. There you go. Get back in there. Wet. Get back in there. There you go. Now you can get all wet. There you go. There. Come on. Get all wet. Come on. Come on. He's wet now. He's a wet bird now. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Had enough?